Hi, this is Rob Mugridge from OpenText. Today I'm going to go through SuccessFactors integration with StreamServe. This demo is going to show you two scenarios highlighting what we can do with this integration engine. The actual engine itself is written in Java as a web application and it runs on Tomcat, so it will sit aside next to the ad hoc and reviewer web applications that are provided by StreamServe. This integration engine runs in a SuccessFactors tile and it reads the data from SuccessFactors using the OData API, converts that into an XML file which is then sent to StreamServe using the StreamServe integrated web services. As you'll see, the tile allows you to drill down through employees and select which document you want to use and view and get sent out via StreamServe. The second scenario that we'll be showing you is integrating into the workflow that SuccessFactors has built in. And when you on events such as approval, you can get SuccessFactors to send an email, and you'll see that StreamServe can receive that email and ask the integration engine to extract all of the relevant information it needs to build up a document. Then finally StreamServe will send that document out to the employee. So here we have the home screen of SuccessFactors. And what you can see here is the tile containing the integration engine. We have a few options to choose from. We can view the employees to create a document, so we can drill down in our employees, and once we've selected an employee we can view various different documents and generate them automatically with a click of the mouse. Second option is documents pending approval. So if there are any documents that have been created, some StreamServe documents that require approval from this manager, with this link will take us into the StreamServe reviewer application, where all of the documents generated by StreamServe awaiting approval are shown. And thirdly is My Documents. So maybe there is documents that a manager has created and it requires approval from the employee. This link would then take you to the reviewer screen, but based around documents that not you've created but someone else has created on behalf of you. So first things first, we will select a employee to create a document for. So here we've got the list of employees that has been extracted from SuccessFactors using OData and presented in a list, so we can now select a particular employee to generate a document for. So here we're going to select Marcus Hoff. And now we're presented with a list of documents that has been extracted from StreamServe using StreamServe web services and presented in a list to allow the manager to select which document to generate for this particular employee. Now you could even change the list as well, so certain managers, depending on their level, can generate certain documents. So here we're going to generate a unpaid leave letter. So this screen is a custom screen where we can add in extra form elements, and the bottom half of the screen is actually StreamServe ad hoc embedded within our web page. So what we've got here, we've got our unpaid leave letter. And you'll notice here that we've got details about the employee automatically extracted from SuccessFactors using their OData API passed to StreamServe, so we can then go and put these on our document. There are some bits that you may not be able to get from SuccessFactors. In this example, I've chosen that the fact that there's a start and an end date to this unpaid leave that may not be in SuccessFactors. But obviously you want this document to be as automatic as possible. So you can actually put in a start date here on this web form, We'll sort of start it at the beginning of March and we'll end at the end of April. And we'll click on Refresh Document. And then StreamServe goes off, adds those, the integration engine sends those 2 extra fields to StreamServe as well as the document ID, and StreamServe can pick up that original document and then place these 2 dates that we entered in there automatically. Once we're happy with the document, we can then submit the document. This document will then go off to StreamServe and it will be added to the reviewer stage. We could actually have this automatically sent out via email with no approval, but this demonstration is going to show you the approval process using the StreamServe reviewer. So we are accepting the document to be delivered, and now we can go back to SuccessFactors, and here in SuccessFactors we can see we will go to Documents Pending Approval. So the approval screen is again a mixture of custom web application with a StreamServe reviewer embedded within it using an iframe. Here we can see that we've created an ad hoc letter. It's being submitted and the manager was C. Grant and the employee ID was M. Hoff, and we can preview the document and we can see just about that the dates are right. We can zoom in, this is just a PDF. If we're happy with it, we can then approve it. Once we approve it, it will be sent to StreamServe, and StreamServe for this instance is set to email the employee with an email of the PDF. And so again, all automatic, and so if we now check our inbox, we'll hopefully get a unpaid leave document. So we can view it. Again, StreamServe can put in HTML emails. We can, but here we've got an attached PDF. If we open that up, we can see this is our email with the dates that we added for Marcus Hoff. And so that ends the first scenario. Next scenario we'll go through will be the workflow emails. So here we are back at the SuccessFactors home screen. This time we are dealing with the SuccessFactors workflow, so we're going to be using their tiles, and here we're going to actually choose Marcus Hoff and we're going to change the location that he lives in. He's going to work in, sorry. So we change the job and compensation info, and now we will choose to change his job information. And now we are going to change the location from Chicago to Atlanta. Now we're happy, we can submit this. Now, when we do actually submit it, it will actually go to workflow participants. So other approvers here are listed down as Sid Morton and Nancy Nash. And then we've got CC roles. We've got an email address that we're using as a temporary email address to send documents to, which StreamServe is monitoring. And it will pick up this email that SuccessFactors will send once everyone's approved it. So now we're taken back to the employee files. What we'll need to do now is go in as both the managers and approve that action. So first off, we'll go in as Sid, and in Sid's to-do list we've got today's approver transfer to Marcus Hoff. So this is all SuccessFactors, none of this has come into StreamServe yet. We can choose, we can read it, and we can approve it. So now we've got 2 approvals, just got 1 left. For this, because it's a senior manager, we can't use a proxy now, so we'll have to log out and log back in. So here we are back in Nancy Nash's SuccessFactors screen, and here today we've got an approval for Microsoft. So this is the last approval required. After this approval, SuccessFactors will send an email to StreamServe, and StreamServe will pick that email up, and it will go off back to our integration engine asking for details for this given document. The given document is down to the fact of how which workflow was generated, so the email can actually have various different keywords in it, and we can pick those up. So if we now go to our email, refresh, here we've got a transfer authorization document that's been generated from StreamServe. We can view the document as an attachment, open it, and we can see straight away that we've got Microsoft's details being populated in the letter. Obviously we can then go and get anything else that we want from there. We can pick up any other data from OData and pass it off to StreamServe using the web services. So hopefully this has been useful, showing how we can indeed integrate SuccessFactors with StreamServe in a multitude of ways. One by integrating with the tile, and the second one is integrating with the workflow process itself. Any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me on my email shown on the screen. Thanks very much.